We're going to breakfast on the beach. Let's go. And we're here. Lovely view.
Yeah, so we're actually not sitting on the beach, but we are in a restaurant at the beach. And this is our view. We're on the balcony. Oops, it's sunny that way, so I don't know if you could see. But it is lovely. People are on the beach already. They do allow vehicles on the beach here. I think Lisa said yesterday it's four-wheel drive only, so we certainly couldn't drive down there. And I don't think we want to. I'd be afraid of being stuck. There's a nice little playground down here. And tables, I think it's maybe a bar at night. Oh, it certainly is a restaurant. But that's where we are.
I got a bagel breakfast sandwich with egg and cheese, and Mom's eating my bacon. I got it on the side because I don't eat bacon. And the potatoes are really good. Oh, my sandwich is good.
So I got an omelette, and it's just a cheese omelette, and then I had Lisa's bacon because, of course, she didn't want the bacon. So it's all going well. It's good food. Nice to sit out here and enjoy the breeze. We're back at the beach. Now it's lunchtime, sort of. It's kind of a little bit of an early lunch, especially since we just ate a big breakfast. We're just having a light cheese and cracker lunch, but we came to some picnic tables at the beach. This is really nice because it's a protected area for gopher tortoises that nest out here. So we have a little wild view and the sea just on the other side. And we're just going to have some cheese and crackers, and then we're heading out to a fun afternoon kayaking. We're all changed. We have our swimsuits on. We're getting ready for a kayak adventure. Lisa has a new swimsuit, just bought a new tank top and shorts today. I think I'm going to have to move. I'm going to have to turn you around where I can see you. And back up so that I can see you in your new outfit.
Printed this morning. He printed it in the shop. You picked out a blank shirt and then chose your design, and then he printed it on it right then, so that was super cool.
And it's a light blue with white text because that's what he insisted would look best. I don't know if you can see that, but it just says Amelia Island, established 1562, Florida.
A seahorse.
Has a seahorse on it.
Yeah.
So that's lovely. So we'll leave you here and we'll head on out to Amelia Adventures and see how that is.